Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Filipino ebook before it's gone.
Hi everybody, my name is Kat. Welcome to the 2000 Core Filipino Words and Phrases video series. Each lesson will help you learn new words, practice, and review what you've learned. Okay, let's get started. First is pananaw, way of thinking. Pananaw. Pananaw, way of thinking. Aking pananaw, my way of thinking. Aking pananaw. Pagtutol, objection. Pagtutol. Pagtutol. Objection. Walang pagtutol. Have no objection. Walang pagtutol. Masigla. Energetic. Masigla. Masigla. Energetic. Masiglang tagapagsalita. Energetic speaker. Masiglang tagapagsalita. Diskusyon. Discussion. Diskusyon. Diskusyon. Discussion. Diskusyon tungkol sa negosyo. Discussion about business. Diskusyon tungkol sa negosyo. Hindi sumang-ayon. Disagree. Hindi sumang-ayon. Hindi sumang-ayon. Disagree. Sumang-ayon na hindi sumang-ayon. Agree to disagree. Sumang-ayon na hindi sumang-ayon. Panatilihin. Maintain. Panatilihin. Panatilihin. Maintain. Panatilihin ang kaayusan. Maintain order. Panatilihin ang kaayusan. Palitan. Change. Palitan. Palitan. Change. Palitan ang isang trabaho. Change an occupation. Palitan ang isang trabaho. Desisyon. Decide. Desisyon. Desisyon. Decide. Magdesisyon sa hapunan. Decide on dinner. Magdesisyon sa hapunan. Tumutol. Oppose. Tumutol. Tumutol. Oppose. Tumutol ng matindi. Oppose vehemently. Tumutol ng matindi. Tindi. Sumang-ayon. Agree. Sumang-ayon. Sumang-ayon. Agree. Lubos na sumasang-ayon. Completely agree. Lubos na sumasang-ayon. Let's review. Respond to the prompts by speaking aloud. First, you will hear a word or phrase in English. Respond in Filipino, then repeat after me, focusing on pronunciation. Ready? Do you remember how to say way of thinking? Pananaw. Pananaw. And how to say objection? Pagtutol. Pagtutol. How about energetic? Masigla. Masigla. Do you remember how to say discussion? Diskusyon. Diskusyon. Let's try disagree. Hindi sumang-ayon. Hindi sumang-ayon. What about maintain? Panatilihin. Panatilihin. Now, let's see if you remember how to say change. Palitan. Palitan. Another one. What about decide? Desisyon. Desisyon. Do you remember how to say oppose? Tumutol. Tumutol. And finally, do you remember how to say agree? Sumang-ayon. Sumang-ayon. Well done! See you next time! Paalam!